present for myself from Wilson. I ordered some Wilson staff blades. A little inspection sheet. The reason why I chose these ones over other blades is just the classic look. Wilson traditionally is known for making blades back in the day, but they kind of fell off because TaylorMade and Hang and Callaway all like took over promotion wise. I enjoy the look of these, just the classic everything. Even when it come down to like even those little diamonds right there. Bezel. I almost don't want to hit them. Like a little art piece right there. These are the wedges. They're different color. They're not exactly like these, but these are also forged. And what I really dislike about like this is a game improvement iron is just the mere size of it. You don't really get a good feel off it. When I hit the ball, it's very like it just doesn't feel good. But with forged clubs, you can feel exactly where you hit the ball. So yeah, this is meant for like a more like advanced player, but in my aspect, how are you going to get more advanced if you can't feel the ball? So if you look at the size comparisons. From the top view, the shaft is much heavier. You can tell immediately. You have the store. There's no flex in it. It's a stiff shaft. Good. I have to get another towel for these bad boys because every shot I'm gonna have to clean it. Maintain the beauty of these little puppies. What time is it? I might have to go to the driving range. It's just a little too late, I think. I have to go tomorrow morning, get my distances, see where I'm hitting these bad boys, and off to the range. Alright folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that little like button and that little bell for notifications. Take it easy. I tell you, these clubs belong in a museum.